Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is how to create an Epic Games account. Go to the official website of Epic Games, click on the sign in option, and tap on sign up option and choose any one option to create the account. Fill out all information to create the account, like country, your full name, email, and password. A confirmation code will be sent to your email address. Enter that code. And this is how you can create an Epic Games account. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And have any query, comment down below.